Hi there. If you're interested in using essential oils for children, I'm Sunday from Natural Sunday, and I'm going to tell you a few things. Now, when you use essential oils and aromatherapy around children, you want to make sure that you use the most mild and gentle oils possible. And in this case, that would be lavender and any orange oils. And this includes sweet orange, tangerine, neroli, which is orange blossom, and basically that's it. You can use mandarin as well, too. So lavender and all the orange oils. Now, basically the best method of application for children is through inhalation. Children have very thin and sensitive and fragile skin, so you definitely don't, even though essential oils are gentle, you don't want to apply it topically until they're a little bit older, I'd say around 8 or 9 or 10. With the smaller kids, I'd stick to just inhalation. Now, with inhalation, the best way to apply this is to make your own air spray. And making your own air spray out of lavender and all the orange essential oils is a very easy and very healthy and natural way to help soothe and calm your children. I have a friend who helps her kids go to bed, helps them relax, and she sprays it in their bedroom when they're getting ready for bed. And she has found that it really does make a difference in calming their spirits, taking that energy out, and preparing them for bed. So using essential oils for kids is very, very easy. You just have to remember to choose wisely. Lavender and any orange oil will do. Spray it in the air, and you're good. I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday. Take care, guys.